welcome. This is Dr. Uche Gentimo, a Deputy President General. And this is the bonus agent.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Benga Shaba. I report for all primaries. During the reading of the communique, you saw the various efforts you've been trying to make in the issue of security and all that. So we want to know, concerning the Monday sit-at-home in the Southeast, especially in Anambra and some other Southeast states that are very popular like that. What was the take of the ASICs? What are you doing to make sure that this thing ends? It's been years now.
So, pause.
Please pause. Move the water.
Ready? Southeast has been losing a lot of money since the instructions of a sit-at-home every Monday. Women does not go to market, male the same thing, children not going to school, civil servants not going to work, those that sell perishable items, they lost their goods. And it's not just yesterday or last week, but it keep on coming up. So as there's a new ZJ, we are against this sit-at-home, and we are pleading to our people back home for them to understand that we are losing. If we think that foreigners are losing, no, we are the ones losing, because today people are crying for food. Those are supposed to go to our bushes for them to go into farming are no longer going to farming because they are afraid of their lives. So we the Indians, we condemn that attitude of killing back home based on sit-at-home insecurity. Thank you.
A follow-up, sir. I want specifically the ESE in Ghana to tell us how far, what it has done with regard to news of xenophobia in Ghana, especially the ill-treatment or maltreatment of Igbos living in Ghana.
Every country has their own rules and regulations. If you go in a foreign land, you must work according to what the laws of the land stated. You don't need to violate the laws or do anything to prohibit of that land. Ghana is one of the best countries within and around the world. Nigerians are many in Ghana because the nearest English-speaking country from Nigeria, Togo, Cotonou, then they get to Ghana. Nigerians feel more comfortable in Ghana, but we should understand, irrespective of the common language English, we should not do things that is against the law of the land. Most of our people violate the laws of Ghana. Nobody will come to your land and violate your laws and you'll be happy to live with that person. So, when we understand that these laws, we're supposed to respect it, then the laws of the land and the people of the land will respect it. So Nigerians in Ghana, we are not having problems with Ghana. It's just a little misunderstanding. We'll have fixed it. We pray it's not going to come back again.
Does it include the locking of people's shop?
That was there. That was there. So those that are locked now might have one or two problems with the people, but now we're living in peace with the people of Ghana.
Thank you.
My question, sorry, Brown Chinese from some newspapers. My question is in the area of the Diaspora, the leadership in Diaspora. You vis-a-vis the ASIS. As far back as about a decade ago, this issue of leadership came up and it was addressed. And recently, it has gained momentum in the media. The ASIS came out with a communique where they declared that the ASIS in the Diaspora should take the title of Oyendu. I want to know your position on this. So we have had a lot from the communique. I would like the Ndigbo Ghana to take this.
You can't tell us. So, thank you for bringing this question.
because this question is very, very important. Something that has been making round of the social media. We, Ndigbo, in diaspora, have been existing and have been defending anything Igbo outside Igbo land. We do not exist in the southeast Igbo land. But apart from the southeast, we are everywhere in the diaspora. You can see, even during the Ukrainian war, Ndigbo of Russia celebrated the New Year festival, which is to protect the Igbo culture and tradition.